So today, I've owned the car for almost 3 years. We're coming up to that 3-year mark, but I wanted to talk about the things that I love about this car and if you should get one. One of the things I actually love and didn't think I would love is the DCT. This transmission is quick, it's aggressive. If I were to have manual, I think it would be more engaging, but the capabilities of the DCT are great and it's an amazing car and it handles that transmission really well. It's very aggressive and it's still even pretty engaging regardless of the fact that it's considered as an automatic. I think DCT does a great job at keeping it engaging and fun. One of the things about this engine is there is no noticeable turbo lag. It's a twin turbo inline 6, but when you're actually driving it, you don't really realize that it's turbocharged. I mean, you can tell if you really pay attention, but compared to other turbo cars, it does a great job at handling that instant power and torque. Along with the button layout with the M1 button and the M2 button, you can lay out how you want to set it. So I have one button for launching and one button for everything to the max, as well as having the safety on, because this thing is a scary car. It is really dangerous if you don't know how to control it, but if you press those buttons, it immediately just changes the character of the car, and if somebody tries to race you, all you need to do is press that button and you can launch, and that turbo lag is barely there. This car is so much fun to drive. It may not be the fastest thing, 0 to 60, but it is by no means a slow car. This thing can get, at least quoted by BMW, it says 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, but that is probably under prime conditions. I have a feeling that maybe in most conditions your rear tires are going to spin a little bit. So my 235 that I used to have would launch better in my opinion, so it maybe was, or if not the same, 0 to 60, but that's the difference between an all-wheel drive car and a rear-wheel drive car. Another thing about this car is that it doesn't have a lot of options. Some people will say that that's kind of a problem, but I also view it as they've included everything you really want. The only things you can really change are whether you have a sunroof, or the color of the seats, or the heated steering, I believe, as well as the transmission, whether it be the DCT or manual. But other than that, there's not very many options. It's really kind of up to you on the color, but I think the blue looks good, the stitching in the seats, as well as I think that you have to look at it with a glass half full kind of mindset. It really has everything you would really want in a car like this. So this car has 6 pistons in the front and 4 pistons in the back, and the rotors are huge in this front 2 tires. There have been times where rocks will get stuck in between the rotors and the wheels and will scrape the barrel, so you have to be careful. But these brakes are huge for this car, and it makes this car very capable for a track day. So the way that my car is spec'd out, this car has really held its value. It's sitting anywhere between $62,000 to $66,000 on Kelly's Blue Book. And I think with the way that it's at and how much people really want this car, I think it really will hold its value. So to finish off with this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that this car is a capable track weapon. This thing can get beaten up on the track and have no issues with overheating, heat on the brakes either. This is just a very capable track car, and you should experience it on the track. This is a daily drivable car, but it's not the most ideal. I think in most cases, to really experience what this car is capable of, you should take it to a track. So thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, like, and yeah, follow us for more.
UFU is an international information technology company that specializes in creating and maintaining innovative information technology, data, and software solutions for a wide range of needs. Click on the link in the description to learn more about what they can do and how they can help you.